student, today we learn about articles. Lesson 7. So now we will discuss about what are articles. Words used before noun and modifies noun. वे सब जो संज्ञा के पहले आते हैं और जो संज्ञा की विशेषता बताते हैं आर्टिकल्स कहलाते हैं. इट मीन्स वर्ड्स यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन एंड मॉडिफाइज नाउन. देयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल. दिस इज अ bird, so here bird is a noun, so a is article. This is a cow, here cow is a noun and a is article. A and the are called articles. Types of articles. The number one is definite articles and the second one is indefinite articles. So the definite article is the and the indefinite article is a and an. So definite article the is used for unique or specific and indefinite article used for general. Like some other example we will see. Use of a, where we use article a, it means article a का जो प्रयोग है वो हम लोग किस जगह पे करेंगे. Before the word begins with consonant sound. Use of a का यूज़ कहाँ पे करेंगे, जहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट वर्ड का यूज़ होगा. ओके. यूज़ ऑफ एन, बिफोर द वर्ड बिगिंस विथ वोवेल साउंड. जो वोवेल साउंड होंगे वहाँ पे एन का यूज़ करेंगे. लाइक ए ई आई ओ यू. नाउ यूज़ द, when we talk about someone or something specific. Like example, this is a bird. जो यहाँ पे बात हो रही है वो मतलब एनी बर्ड, कोई भी बर्ड हो सकती है. यहाँ पे कोई स्पेसिफिक बात नहीं की जा रही है. सो हेयर दिस इज़ द बर्ड विच आई सॉ यस्टरडे. अ पर्टिकुलर बर्ड. जो यहाँ पे बर्ड की बात की जा रही है वो स्पेसिफिक बर्ड है. दैट इज़ दिस इज़ द बर्ड. ये वो चिड़िया है विच आई सॉ यस्टरडे, जो मैंने कल देखी थी. तो यहाँ पे जो बर्ड है यहाँ पे वो एक स्पेसिफिक चीज़ को यहाँ बताया जा रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पर द का यूज़ हुआ है. नाउ वी सी द अदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द. जनरली वी डू नॉट यूज़ एन आर्टिकल विथ प्रॉपर नाउन्स. हाउएवर वी यूज़ द विथ सम प्रॉपर नाउन्स लाइक रिवर, द Ganges, the Nile, the Yamuna, etc. Oceans, the Pacific Oceans, the Indian Ocean. Some books or newspaper, the Bible, the Economic Time. It means these are the special things and the special purpose we use the article. Okay student, now you are all the understand the article. Let me see exception rule. We use you with a article. So student, आपके मन में ये क्वेश्चन होगा that why we put here a, because u is a vowel and we put n there. So why this happen, let it see. It is why when to use an or a depends on how the word is pronounced and not on how it is written. जब हम किसी आर्टिकल का यूज़ करते हैं तो ये नहीं देखा जाता है कि वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, व्हाट इज़ राइट ऑन इट, जबकि वो किस तरह से प्रोनाउंस हो रहा है, उसका उच्चारण किस तरह से किया जा रहा है, ये मैटर करता है. So here is university. Okay, and here is like hour. Okay, so hour start with a consonant. Okay, however h is silent Therefore, the word actually begins with an O sound. That's why we put N here. Okay. In university, we pronounce university. It means Y sound is pronounced. Okay. So Y is consonant. So we put A. Like this, it means you think that here is use E. So E is vowel. So why we put A there? So we pronounce it European. Okay, student, European. So we pronounced U. It means there is pronounced Y. Okay, so we put A there. Like it is pronounced air. Okay, so pronounce A sound आ रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पर मैंने N का यूज़ किया है. Okay, student. Now let's see the exercise. Write A or N before each phrase. The number 1 is holy river. So we put here A. Black owl. We put here A because B is consonant here. Or I tell you that we use article A before a consonant. Okay. Here is use N because I is vowel. Here we use A because R is consonant. Okay. So you all are done by yourself. Circle each word that begins with N. हमको यहाँ पे सर्कल करना है जो वर्ड आर्टिकल N से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज क्लॉक. सो क्लॉक इज स्टार्ट विथ कॉन्सोनेंट C. सो यहाँ पे सर्कल नहीं होगा. द सेकेंड वेज इज पेंगुइन. सो स्टार्ट विथ P. इट मीन्स कॉन्सोनेंट. तो यहाँ पे भी आपका सर्कल नहीं होगा. इट इज प्रोनाउंस यूनिफॉर्म. Okay, it is pronounced. So student, you think that here we draw a circle, but doesn't, because it is pronounced uniform. That is, it is pronounced consonant sound. Okay, so we don't circle around them. Okay. Ink pot. Okay, so we can circle here. Iron. It is pronounced vowel sound and I is also vowel, so we draw a circle around them. It is pronounced umpire. Okay, so here is a vowel sound. Okay, student, first of all, you don't need to be nervous and don't be confused. Okay, first of all, you pronounce the any word, then you apply A or N. Here we don't circle around them because it is pronounced uniform and it is pronounced umpire. That is a vowel sound, so we draw a circle around them. Okay, now let's see the D number. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Gandhiji was, so it is pronounced honest. Okay, so it is pronounced a sound, so we put here a N. Give me utensil that is heavy. So here is U. U is also vowel, but we don't put N here because it is pronounced utensil. That is, you pronounce a consonant sound, so we put here a. Is this a dot because D is consonant. I have E. I is vowel, so we put here a N. The Ganga is a holy river because holy is pronounced a consonant sound. Here we put a N because it is ink pot. Okay, elephant. Here we put N because E is vowel. Aisa and aunt. Aunt is pronounced a vowel sound. So we put here N. So student, these are your homework. You can do E and F, okay, by practice. So stay at home and be happy, okay. Goodbye.